welcome back to my channel, Bits of Ash. My name is Ashley, and for today's video I thought I would film myself organizing my pantry again, an updated version of me organizing the pantry, because I did organize it like some months ago, maybe even a whole year ago, I'm not sure, and it stayed that way for a little bit, and now like the bottom of it is completely junky. So I thought I would just go ahead and start my kitchen series with me organizing my pantry. So this is part 1, pantry organization. So just make sure you guys stay tuned. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and please do subscribe and share this video. So stay tuned. Okay, now that it is organized, I'm going to tell you where I got everything from. Let's start down here. This blue thing here is actually from Target. It was like $20, maybe like $22, something like that. But that's from Target. All of these bins here, like this one, this one, this one, these little ones, this one, and even this one, those are all from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I went ahead and brought those. And then this one here, this and this one is actually a set, and I had got that from Walmart. This here I had got from a garage sale. I cleaned it and spray painted the top red. I think the original top was like brown or something. It was very ugly, but I spray painted it red. And then all of my little canister, little container things here, I got all of those from Walmart, and they're actually cheaper at Walmart because I've been pricing them, and like at the Container Store and Target and stuff, they're actually cheaper at Walmart. You can also get these at Sam's and Costco have them too, but Costco got the big old box and that's like $80. But yeah, so that's where I got that from. So you can basically organize your pantry with whatever you have in your house, or again, you can always go to the Dollar Tree and get these little bins, and you can label them as well, because as you can see here, we have a label maker. So all of this is rice, and then this is rice as well. I have my potatoes, mashed potatoes here. We have noodles, that's like macaroni, so that's what that is here. Over here on this side, we have all of my pasta. This here is flour, and more pasta over here as well. And then as you can see, that's oatmeal. And then I have pancake mix here, and we're from the South, so grits is a thing. We have grits. And then over here in this corner, we have just cereal. We stopped buying like all that cereal because, as you know before, if you've been following us for a long time, we would have like 10 boxes of cereal up here for no reason at all. So it was going to waste. So now we just downsized to that. Now let's go down here. I have my canned goods here, my chicken broth, all of my baking stuff here that I want to bake. This is just like miscellaneous stuff, like cornbread mix, peanut butter, that's vinegar. This is banana nut bread that I love. And then down here I have some paper towels. I can't even talk. That is, if you're over the age of 21, you know what that is. Protein powder. We have syrup. We love syrup. And I have some vegetable oil down here. So yeah, that's that, you guys. So that ends my part 1 of my kitchen series, the pantry organization. If you have any additional questions as far as my pantry and whatever I use, or if you want me to give you some recommendations, just leave me some comments down below. I'll make sure to respond to you guys, and I will see you in part 2.